It does. Like they didn't even put the mint in. They just put. They're like, oh no, I mean it will taste the same. They wrote mint.
I think this is really toothpaste.
It's your toothpaste. Wait, did you put toothpaste in these? You put toothpaste in these?
Yeah.
You did? You did? You're sick tonight.
Is it good?
No! All these away.
It's good, Maggie.
We are speaking phone all
Turn the video off.
Bye guys.